to me, I look like a 5-year-old. Hey guys, it's Jade. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Wendy's cat ears hair accessory she has on her hair, and I think it's really cute, but to me, I look like a 5-year-old. Anyway, if you guys want to do this is a good DIY. I actually kind of like how it turned out, and I am really excited to show you guys how to make it. Anyway, let's get started. So the things you will need will be a template. I will put the link in the description down below. Foam paper or felt. I suggest foam paper. Hot glue, pencil or pen, something to trace with. Scissors. Super glue, clips or bobby pins, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started. So first, print out your template, and then get your scissors, and cut the shape out by following the lines. And now trace the shapes onto the foam paper by using a pencil or pen. Trace each of the shapes twice. Now cut all the shapes out with your scissors. Scissors. So at this part, I don't really know how to explain it, so I made some numbers on the template, and I also created this picture so you can use that as a reference to see how to put the shapes together. And now bend the shapes into a half. And now glue the bottom of the shape onto the clip, glue it where the triangles are. Make sure it's not completely folded so it looks like something like this in the photo. And if you like, you can use some felt to secure the shape onto the clip so it won't fall out that easily. And this is how you make your Wendy cat ears hair accessory. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to see more of these videos, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe. And today's shout out goes to Cutie Corn House. Thank you so much, Cutie Corn House, for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
Let's be friends from now on. What do you say? Yeah, I'd love to.